Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agustina Butihartining Tias, and my student number is A3201700253. And today I will present the result of the article that I have created with the title of An Impact of Teacher Strategy Based on Freedom Writer Movie. The first of all, about introduction. We know that literature is a body of written work. The name has traditionally been applied to those imaginative work of poetry and prose distinguished by the intention of their authors and the perceived aesthetic excellence of their execution. Literature may be classified according to a variety of systems, including language, national origin, historical period, genre, and subject of matter. Freedom Writer is a 2007 drama film writer and directed by Richard LaGravenese, on starring Hilary Swank, Scott Glenn, Imelda Staunton, Patrick Dempsey, and Mario. The Freedom Writer Diary by teacher Erin Gruwell is based on the book, and the student who compiled the book out of real diary entries about their life that they wrote in their English class. In the Woodrow Wilson Classical High School in Long Beach, California. The movie is also based on the DC program called City the Base. And chapter 2 is literature review. Why the author makes the research? Because to support this research, the researchers need the other researchers that have been made by other research that have a close relationship with the study. The first researcher is Dewi Erna Patmawati from Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. She focuses her research to find the struggle for existence the major character, Erin Gruwell, in the Freedom Writer movie. And she also used an individual psychological approach by Alfred Adler to analyze the movie. And the second research is Abdul Haris Habibi from Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. And the Abdul, his study is entitled Self-Defense Mechanism of Erin Gruwell in Richard's Freedom Writer movie, such as psychoanalytic approach. The major problem in his research is how self-defense mechanism of Erin Gruwell is reflected in Richard LaGravenese from writers. From this understanding, it can be concluded that risk contains three elements: risk former. And the first is likelihood of events, and the second is impact or consequence, or if they occur, risks will have consequence. And the last is likelihood of events, or risks are still probable or measured in kind probability. And risk assessment is carried on factors that threaten the achievement of objective education agency. Therefore, setting goals, both institutional and objective, the activity in the initial step in conducting a risk assessment. To each risk identify the education agency, then analyze the risk. This is to determine the effect of achieving goals. And the method of the writer used a quality research to explain the content of this paper. According to John V. Creswell, the qualitative method relies on data in the form of text and picture. The first is memory data obtained from the text of the movie focusing on the objective of the study. And the second data is cover the data that support the analysis. Maybe it can be some material related to this research, such as article, journal, and criticism by others. And we know in collecting the data, some steps had been done by the writer, such as finding the movie, watching the movie to comprehend the whole of the story, searching the movie script from the internet, reading the script of the movie carefully to get deep comprehension about the approach used by the major character named Erin Gruwell. The material object of the study are the text of the movie that's related to Eva and approach by Gruwell. The formal object consists of: first is how does the past traumatic experience of Eva, how does the correlation between Eva's past traumatic experience and her behavior in class, and the last is what does the traumatic approach used by Gruwell based on psychological perspective. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.